If you have a watering can without the diffuser, you know how frustrating it is because it used to be better. I'm going to show you how to make one out of an old tuna can, and I've been using this one for years. It may not be the prettiest thing, but it works. Just take it off for a minute and try it without it. You'll see it is just bad news. And on younger plants, it's even worse. I don't want to wash away these beets. They just came up. Way better with a diffuser. Sure, you can water plants without it, but you have to be so careful. And it's not near as even. Okay, enough of that. Let me show you how I made it. The first thing you need is a small, thin can. Like a tuna can is perfect. In fact, that's what this one is a tuna can. The most important part is cutting the lid off properly. You need to cut it off on the side, not the top. A normal can opener is capable of cutting both on the side and the top. You want to cut on the side. Cutting on the side of the can will allow us to glue it back together. If you cut it on the top, you won't be able to. The next thing that you're going to do is take a nail and poke holes on the top of the diffuser. It's a good idea to back it up with a piece of wood and just drive the nail right into the wood. Now, to get the hole on the back of the lid, we're going to use this step drill. If you've never used a step drill, they are so nice. It takes one step at a time, and you can make so many different size holes with one bit. If you like to build things, you really want to look at getting a set of these. And now it's just time to epoxy glue the entire thing back together. I've been using this one for years, and the epoxy glue has held for years. I was watering plants today and it came apart, and I just thought of all the years of service that this has given us. So if you're watching this video right now and you do not have a diffuser on your watering can, you could decide to have a tuna melt sandwich for lunch and take the can and you've got a diffuser. Sometimes I think people don't realize the value of the diffusers, and that's why they get lost. If you're just pouring water on the ground, that's one thing, but the diffuser helps so much. Well, I hope you found this video useful, and I appreciate you watching.